UC values under campuses and major. The UC wants you to know that they value integrity, respect of differences and commonalities, that they reject acts of discrimination of any kind, including political beliefs, and that they are committed to ensuring your freedom of expression. They ask that if you agree that if you become part of the UC community, that you will seek to maintain a climate of civility and mutual respect. And if so, click here to acknowledge these guidelines. In this section, you will confirm which term you are applying for. In this case, the winter and spring term. As a side note, UC Riverside and UC Santa Cruz are on the quarter system, so you would be applying to their winter quarter. But if you're applying to UC Merced, they are on the semester system. But regardless of whether you're applying to a winter or a spring term campus or all of them, you will start in January of 2021 at the university. If you have taken courses at Crafton and are working towards your 60 units or already have 60 units, you are a transfer student. And you are most likely also a junior level transfer because you will have 60 units by the time you start at the UC. If you have more than 90 units, but you have only attended community college, you are still considered a junior level transfer. This is really important. Most of you that are watching this video are probably junior level transfers only. Save and continue. Only 3 campuses are open for winter and spring 2021 transfer. They are Santa Cruz, UC Merced, and our neighbor UC Riverside. Choose as many of these as you are wanting to apply to. The application is not going to go through each campus and their open majors. Choose your major. You also have the option of choosing an alternate major. If you want to be considered for a different major than your primary because you really want to get into UC and are willing to keep this major upon transfer, now you will do this for the rest of the campuses that you are applying to. As you can see, I'm applying to all 3 campuses. Why not? Notice that I have chosen different majors at different campuses, and that is totally okay. I also chose alternate majors. You don't have to, but in my case, I chose to. Save and continue. Review your selections, and then continue to the most important section of the application, the academic history. Yay!